Hey, so I thought I would show you guys how to make and create a Google assignment, which is what we're going to have to do whenever we want to use Google Slides or a Google Doc for an assignment on Canvas. So, the first thing you want to do is go to like the assignment that I sent you guys. So, I'm just going to go to my slides. And okay, let's say that I think the first one we're doing is the toy one. So I want to open it, make sure you guys open it in your email. I shared it with you so that it's in your Google Drive. And then I'm going to go to Canvas. I'm going to go to assignments. We're going to create an assignment. Okay, we're going to label this then and now toys. And I've already made mine, so I'm going to label mine then and now toys too, so I know which one to come back and delete later. Type your instructions. So move the pictures to the correct side. Oop, period. Okay, then you're going to come down and pick how many points you want it to be. There are 6 pictures, so I've been doing 6 points. Okay, this is the important part. You want your submission type to say external tool. Then we want to go to find. You want to go to Google assignments. You will link your email, so make sure your school email pops up. Continue. Okay, this is where we will attach the slide or document that we want. First, I'm going to, again, put 6 points here. I'm not worrying about a due date. I'm not worrying about a rubric. So I'm going to attach that file. So it should pop up somewhere in your drive. Mine is right here. Then and now. Add. Okay, it is now there, and now each student will get a copy. So whenever they click on theirs, it will automatically prompt them to make a copy, and it should already put their name in it for them because they will have a choice to link their email with the assignment. Oh man. Continue. Okay, cool, it's there. Whoops. Okay. I'm scrolling down, I'm pressing create. Okay, then you will press select and we should be good there. One last thing is that it will make you put in a submission date down here. So my submission date, I just put the day that we're doing it. So we're doing the toy one tomorrow. And then I'm going to press save and publish. Okay, and now you will link this just like a normal assignment. We'll go to modules. We'll go to Monday. You'll do edit. You will put it where you want it. So we want it on social studies. Mine's already there. I labeled it then and now toys. You will highlight it, go to assignments. So then I would find it. Then and now toys 2. I would click it and then I would press save, just like always. Hope this helps. You'll have to make a Google assignment and do this for all of the Google Slides or Google assignments that I make. So kind of annoying that there's so many steps, but it's the same steps. So hope this helps.